Well, the state of Tennessee took away some truck parking, I see. This is I-26, westbound, North Carolina-Tennessee border. You can see the lines where the truck parking used to be, but they put a fence in for who knows why. Yes, it's raining. Yes, it's pouring. And yes, it's windy. I just wanted to say, good job, Tennessee. Take away truck parking. Jeez. It's not like there's enough truck parking out here. And this is a mandatory stop. That car parking lot just didn't stop. But what the heck. Time to go. Y'all have a great day. And all truck drivers, don't plan on parking here. Talk to you later.